Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove and replace tail light bulb, rear turn signal light bulb on a Ford Focus MK3, guys. So stay with us, guys. Don't forget to check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast. You can find the link in the description, and also our store for some amazing car shirts. They're on sale right now. And let us show you what you need to do now. Okay, that's the tail light. Unfortunately, guys, you will need to remove it in order to replace the bulbs in it. But hey, it's not as complicated as it sounds, so stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. You can see right there we have a lid that we need to pull out of the way, and now there is a plastic screw looking thing, like a twisty thing, that you need to take this one off going counterclockwise, okay, like that. And there is a hidden one right there on top. You need to remove that one as well. It's a little bit hard to reach, but once you get it loose they go pretty easy, okay, by hand. And now let me show you what else you need to do, guys, so you don't break it. Right here you need to grab it on the side and pull towards the outside, okay, like that, because there is a clip that goes in there, this one and the one there. And now those are the bulbs. That's the moment of the truth. Top one is brake light and tail light. You just go counterclockwise, pull it out, and that's the bulb right there. You can see if you need it, that's what it is. And I don't know if you can read some of the numbers or not. And you get the new one and you just push it in. Okay, make sure it clicks good. You need to go in the slots or install and turn clockwise. So now the bottom one is a park light, I think, tail light as well. So you need to pull that one. Okay, the same way. This one is working now because you can see the trunk is open, but if you pull that thing, it's pretty hot, okay, because it's been on for a little bit. And all you have to do, just push it in, and that's how you install it. Turn signal light bulb is the one, okay, the one right there, this one. So you need to go ahead and the same way you remove all of them counterclockwise, and that's what the bulb looks like. It's orange. Okay, if you need it, some of the information is right here. Okay, that's the number, a little bit more right there, and you go ahead, install it the same way. And the one that right there, that's for reverse. You can see reverse light, the light bulb, which is clear on the very outside, but this one will rarely go bad, so we're not even worried about this one. But if you need to remove it, you just go again counterclockwise, and that's what the bulb looks like. You just push it in, install the new one. And next thing, you need to install the tail light, which is again pretty simple. We go in reverse order that we did earlier. You need to make sure the clip is right there, lining up really good. Okay, you press it until it's locked there. And we'll have a video how to remove bumpers and things like that on that one, guys. And all you have to do now, just go ahead, install the twisty things there, one on top, one on bottom, and that will be pretty much all. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.